Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this beautiful little incline cleated elevator, is all stainless steel construction. It's operating on 223 phase voltage. It's made by Zalkin in France, name some of you are familiar with from the beverage industry. The black component you see right there is an air operated agitator. Any bottles that are straying and straggling up near the top of the hopper need to be agitated to move down to the belt. The discharge you see here is 48 inches high at the tip right here, and if you were to remove that piece, it brings you to about 54. And of course the peak of the elevator is 68 inches if you wanted to modify and get the maximum height out of it. Another unique feature you'll see at the bottom, the conveyor is at a single hinge point mounted right there. Perhaps you can see it better from the other side. You'll see it right here, which allows the front support to be adjustable. And you see you can lower it down right now, and we'll set it and check the peak height, and that'll be on the listing in that information on this unit. As I mentioned, 223 phase, it is variable speed, and you'll notice the drive does have a mechanical manual speed adjustment with the handle down at the bottom of the drive. Got a nice floor base with screw down jacks and casters. We have lots of equipment for bottle and cap handling in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website. Also everything in process and packaging. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.